When you wake up in the quiet of the morning, before the noise of the world begins, there's a moment that belongs only to you. You take a deep breath, feel the gentle stretch of your lungs, and realize you're still here, still breathing, still capable, still blessed with another sunrise. Life, at this age, no longer demands that you rush. It invites you to listen, to your breath, to your heart, to the rhythm that has carried you through decades of joy, loss, and everything in between. You have lived so much life already, and yet there's still more waiting for you to experience. That's the beauty of this season. You are no longer chasing time, you are learning to move with it. So let's begin there, with movement. Not the kind that exhausts or punishes, but the kind that reminds you of who you are beneath the years, beneath the worries, beneath the noise. When you rise in the morning and roll your shoulders back, when you lift your chest and let your spine lengthen, you are telling your body, I remember you. I haven't forgotten what it feels like to be alive. Your body remembers too. Every smile, every embrace, every challenge overcome. It has carried you faithfully, quietly adapting to every chapter. Now it asks for one thing in return: care. Gentle, patient, daily care. Start small. Feel your feet grounded beneath you. Shift your weight slightly from one side to the other. Notice your balance. That simple awareness reconnects your brain and body, a conversation that time sometimes makes us forget. When you stretch your arms slowly to the sides, it's not just movement. It's release. It's gratitude. You're telling your shoulders, your joints, your heart, you've done enough. Let's open again. Aging is not about losing power. It's about discovering a deeper kind of power, the quiet one that lives in grace and endurance and presence. When you were younger, strength might have meant speed, competition, or the drive to prove yourself. Now it means showing up even on the days when it would be easier not to. It means moving through stiffness with patience instead of frustration. It means trusting that every breath, every stretch, every step counts. You don't need to do everything at once. You just need to begin, again and again. That's how the body heals. That's how the spirit grows. As you move, imagine your breath as a gentle wave washing through you. Inhale and the tide rises. Exhale and it flows out, taking tension with it. The rhythm of breath is the oldest medicine we have. It clears the mind. It nourishes the body. It quiets the noise that says you are too old, too late, too tired. You are none of those things. You are alive. And that is enough reason to move. Flexibility, both in body and mind, is the secret to staying young. When you bend forward slowly or twist gently from side to side, you are teaching yourself resilience. You are telling your body, I can adapt. You are showing your mind that change is not something to fear, but something to flow with. Even 5 minutes a day of mindful movement can shift your entire energy. You don't have to stretch perfectly. You don't have to look like anyone else. You only have to feel, to notice, to stay curious. That's the true art of aging well. Every time you move with awareness, your brain releases signals of calm. Your heart beats more rhythmically. Your blood flows freely. The stiffness softens. The fog clears. Your mind becomes lighter, your mood brighter. You start to feel at home again inside your own body. That feeling, that quiet harmony, is something no medicine can replace. And it's built one breath at a time. Some days you'll feel stronger. Some days, slower. That's okay. Healing is not a straight line. The important thing is to keep showing up for yourself. Remember, movement is not just physical, it's emotional, spiritual, and mental. When you stretch, you release more than tension. You release the past. You make space for peace to return. When you balance, you teach your mind to focus again. You remind yourself that steadiness is a choice. And when you breathe deeply, you remind your heart that it's safe now. Safe to rest, to open, to trust. You see, the body doesn't just age, it communicates. The stiffness in your shoulders might be unspoken worry. The tightness in your chest might be years of carrying others before yourself. But every time you move, you send a new message. I'm listening now. That's where healing begins. Movement becomes prayer. Breath becomes gratitude. Stillness becomes wisdom. You no longer move to look a certain way. You move to feel whole again. And the more you do, the more energy returns. You start to walk taller, sleep deeper, smile more often. Even your thoughts shift, from fear of aging to appreciation of living. That's the transformation waiting for you when you move with intention. You may not realize it yet, but your body still holds incredible potential. Muscles remember. Cells renew. The heart learns new rhythms. The brain forms new pathways. Science calls it neuroplasticity. I call it hope. Because every time you challenge your balance, your brain grows stronger. Every time you stretch beyond your comfort zone, your spirit expands. Every small effort you make today becomes the foundation for your future self. The person you will be 5 years from now will thank you for this exact moment, for choosing movement over hesitation, peace over excuses. And when you commit to that, even gently, you're not just changing your body, you're changing your story. So create a ritual that feels sacred to you. Maybe it's 10 minutes each morning near a window with the sunlight warming your skin. Maybe it's a slow walk in the park, listening to the trees move in rhythm with your breath. Maybe it's quiet music, candles, and the sound of your heartbeat leading the way. Whatever it is, let it be yours. Make it a promise. You deserve that time, not as a luxury, but as a form of self-respect, because you've spent years taking care of others. Now, it's time to care for yourself with the same devotion. And the beautiful thing is, the more you care for yourself, the more energy you'll have to give again. You'll notice it in small ways. Your laughter will come easier. Your patience will grow. Your mind will feel clearer. You'll start to remember what it means to feel free inside your own skin. That's what movement does. It reconnects you to life. It teaches you to flow, not fight. To trust the process, not rush the result. To see aging not as an ending, but as a deepening. You are not fading. You are refining. You are becoming lighter, wiser, more aware. And every step, every breath, every movement you take is proof that growth never stops. So tomorrow morning, when you open your eyes, don't rush. Sit up slowly. Let your feet touch the ground. Feel the earth beneath you. Steady, patient, waiting. Breathe in deeply. Whisper to yourself, I'm still here. I'm still strong. I'm still learning. Then begin your day with movement. Small, mindful, full of gratitude. You'll be amazed at how quickly your body responds, how the energy returns, how your heart opens. Because this is not about becoming who you were. It's about embracing who you are now, fully, gently, powerfully. The years have not taken from you. They've prepared you. You are more resilient than ever, more aware than ever, and more capable of joy than you realize. Keep moving. Keep breathing. Keep choosing life, one moment at a time. That's all it takes. Because in the end, health isn't about youth. It's about harmony between body, mind, and spirit. And when those three dance together, age becomes irrelevant. What remains is presence. What remains is peace. So today, take that step. For your body, for your heart, for your future. You are not too old to start. You are right on time.